Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how we can disable applications which are running on a startup. What I want to say, uh, when suppose we are starting the computer, then at that time a number of applications may be starting automatically, and maybe some applications you don't want to be started up. So it is sometimes annoying, and we don't want to run the application on a startup automatically. So to disable such application, we follow certain steps, and about that thing I am going to explain in this video. At this moment you are looking, I have just started up my computer. So here is the speech recognition. This is the window speech recognition. This is WSR. So it is automatically getting up started. Likewise, another application, that is my team, this is also automatically started up here. So to avoid starting such application, because the thing is, when an application automatically starts, it consumes a lot of processor. So to avoid this, we follow certain steps. Suppose you are using Windows 8 or higher. Right now I am using Windows 10. So in this situation, we will use Task Manager. First of all, we will open the Task Manager. In the navigation pane, if you go here, here is the Task Manager. Otherwise, you can also use this shortcut Control Shift Escape button. So it will automatically Control Shift and Escape button. Then automatically your Task Manager will come up before you. Another way is you go in the navigation pane, and here you click Task Manager, then also it will come up. So all the process which are running right now, you can go and end it here, but every time you go and end it here, that is problematic. To avoid this, we have another option. This is the startup tab. You go here and just suppose here is the speech recognition application that is right now. So you can disable it. You go here, or you can also right click and disable it. So once you do it, it is disabled. Likewise, team application, that is automatically getting up started here in my application. If I go and disable it, so the next time once the application will start up, I mean once when the PC will start up, these two applications will not automatically get started because they are disabled now. This is the first approach. By using this, we can disable the application running at a startup. So this trick will work in Windows 8 and higher version. But if you are using Windows 7 or below, then what we have to do, we have to use the msconfig. This is the command. We go in the Win key, Windows key with the R key. So this is called Window plus R button. Once you click, the run dialog will come up, and in this you just type msconfig. So msconfig you type. So all the applications which are running in the PC, all the services, all the startup, they you can manage easier. This is the another approach. Okay. And third approach is, you go in the, suppose some service is running, so you go and click services, and any service that is running you don't want to run it, then just select it and pause it or stop it, something like that. So this is another topic I don't want to discuss. My main focus was to explain you how to disable the application which are automatically running. So you will just follow this one. Just precaution, already I told you. Just for the precaution, I tell you, there are certain applications which are in a sense mandatory, and we should not stop running them. When we are certain this particular application is not going to affect me, then you can disable it when it is running up in the startup. Okay. So this is a small trick that I wanted to tell you. This that much in this video. Thank you for watching this video.